Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You're ready to begin. Open WPS Office and a blank document, then enable the microphone in your operating system so WPS can access it. Once done, select Review then Voice Typing, or Tools then Dictation depending on your build. Make sure background noise is low and your mic is positioned 6-12 inches from your mouth. Speak clearly. The app listens continuously after you press the record button. If you prefer keyboard control, use the hotkey or toolbar button to start recording immediately. Now focus on how to control and shape what appears. Press the record button to dictate, pause to think, and resume to continue seamlessly. Say punctuation like period or comma so the text formats correctly, and say new line or paragraph to structure content. If WPS mishears a word, stop recording, correct the text manually, and then resume. This keeps the speech model context accurate. Make sure your speech is natural but deliberate, and slow slightly when dictating numbers or codes. Finish by proofreading and applying formatting, headings, bullets, and emphasis, then save your document. If recognition errors continue, make sure microphone sensitivity and noise suppression are adjusted in system settings, and test with another app to isolate the issue. Once done, restart WPS Office. If problems persist, reinstall the voice typing component or update drivers. One quick troubleshooting tip: switch to a different microphone or use a headset to confirm whether the problem is hardware versus software, which narrows the fix immediately.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.